Experiencing a flashing yellow light on your Amazon Fire TV device? This common indicator light can tell us exactly what's happening with your device. As of 2025, the yellow light on your Fire TV device serves as a status indicator with 3 distinct patterns, each telling you something different about your device's condition. A slow flashing yellow light typically means your remote control is in pairing mode or attempting to connect to the Fire TV device. A rapid flashing yellow light suggests network connectivity issues or system boot problems that need attention. A solid yellow light indicates the device is in setup mode or experiencing hardware communication errors. Now let's focus on the 2 most common causes behind these yellow light indicators: remote pairing problems and network connectivity issues. The first and most common cause is remote pairing issues. This happens when your Fire TV remote loses its Bluetooth connection or needs to be repaired with the device. The second major cause is network connectivity problems. These occur when your Fire TV device cannot properly connect to your Wi-Fi network or maintain a stable internet connection. Understanding these yellow light patterns and their causes is the first step to resolving your Fire TV issues. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific troubleshooting steps to fix both remote pairing and network connectivity problems. When your Fire TV shows a flashing yellow light, the most common cause is remote pairing issues. Let's start with the basic repairing method that solves most remote problems. Method 1 is the basic repairing process. First, hold the home button on your remote for 10 seconds. Wait for the yellow light to stop flashing completely. If the basic method doesn't work, try the advanced Bluetooth reset. Go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Select your remote and choose Forget. Then restart your Fire TV and repair the remote. Now let's address network connectivity issues, which account for about 28% of yellow light problems. Network issues often require resetting your connection completely. For network connectivity problems, start with a complete network reset. Go to your Fire TV network settings and forget your current Wi-Fi network. If network problems persist, changing your DNS settings can resolve connectivity issues. Set your primary DNS to 8.88.8 and secondary to 8884.4. These are Google's public DNS servers that often provide more reliable connections. Finally, router placement is crucial for maintaining a stable connection. Your router should be centrally located and within 15 feet of your Fire TV device. Avoid placing it in corners or behind obstacles that can block the Wi-Fi signal. These troubleshooting methods resolve the vast majority of Fire TV yellow light issues. Start with remote repairing, then move to network solutions if needed. Remember to keep your router firmware updated and maintain good signal strength for the best streaming experience.